Hi friends, in the continuation of Agentic Track interview question answer series, we are moving to question number 11. When should an agent trigger retrieval versus relying on its internal knowledge? Use confidence estimation, low confidence prediction should trigger retrieval, policy driven trigger, always retrieve for compliance and safety critical queries. Task type, knowledge seeking or often domain queries typically requires retrieval. Cache hit and session context can avoid unnecessary retrieval from repeated queries. Adequate strategy start without retrieval and fetch evidence only if needed. Moving to question number 12. How does query reformulation improve retrieval quality? Rewrite queries to emphasize query key entities, synonyms, or clarified intent. Use model-based rewriters to produce retrieval optimized query. Incorporate conventional context and intermediate agent output into reformulation. Add metadata, constant, date, source to narrow search when appropriate. Multi-step subqueries help to multi-hopes or complex information needs. Moving to question number 13. What is multi-hop retrieval and how do agents handle it? Multi-hop retrieval chains multiple retrievals across documents to answer complex queries. Agent decompose tasks into sub-questions and sequentially retrieve evidence, maintain intermediate state and province to avoid drift and contradictions, plan stopping criteria to avoid infinite hopes and control noise accumulation, evaluate multi-hopes chains carefully since each hope can introduce error. Moving to question number 14, how can agent safety call external tool in RAG workflow? Wrap tools in sandboxes with strict input-output validation and resource limits. Define allowed tools scope and enforce role-based access for tool invocation. Sanitize retrieved content before using it in code or database query. Log and audit all tool calls for traceability and compliance. Require human approval or gathering for high risk action initiated by agents. Moving question number 15. What prompt engineering practices help LLM use retrieved evidence? Clearly separated retrieved context from the user query with delimiters instruct the model to prioritize evidence and cite supporting passages. Provide few short examples showing correct use of retrieved evidence. Constraint generation behavior example if unsupported say I don't know. Use templated prompt that the agent can populate programmatically. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.